Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Jamaica's Commonwealth Games 200-meter bronze medalist Jason Livermore today testified that he declared the medication which contained the banned substance for which he returned a positive test in December of 2016.
The 29-year-old Livermore made the disclosure during Monday's opening day of his doping violation hearing before the three-member independent anti-doping disciplinary panel at the Jamaica Conference Center. Livermore, who was represented by his manager Lorenzo Sanford, was advised by JATCO of his adverse analytical finding for metabolites of clomiphene and mestorolone in February this year. But at his hearing on Monday, Livermore testified that the medications were for a life-threatening situation. Checks revealed that clomiphene is an infertility drug, while mestorolone is an anabolic steroid often used for athletic and muscle mass enhancement. The former Calabar sprinter, who was a part of Jamaica's gold medal 4x100-meter relay team at the Commonwealth Games in 2014, said he was considering life after track and field, where he wants to have a family, hence the treatment was necessary. But JATCO's new attorney Judith Clark counterclaimed that Livermore did not have a therapeutic use exemption TUE permitting the use of the banned substances. 6 other witnesses took the stand, including Livermore's coach Michael Clark of Aiken Track Club. The other 5 from JATCO, including outgoing Executive Director Kerry Brown, 2 doping control officers and 2 chaperones. Livermore's hearing is set to resume next Monday, September 18, where his doctor is expected to take the stand. The sprinter, with personal best times of 10.03 and 20.13 seconds over 100 and 200 meters respectively, competed in the half-lap event at the 2013 Moscow World Championships. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.